So gorgeous here. We're here, we're set up.
Oh, good job.
Thanks for coming. Good morning. It's currently 7 a.m. I am staying in Fuengirola today just because we've got our event tonight, which I'm super excited for. Quite nervous, but I'm looking forward to it. I am up super early today to finish off a little bit of work before we go. We just came back from Morocco yesterday and I'm gonna definitely go for a run just to calm my nerves a little bit this morning. Then I'm going to head over to Porto Banús, get my hair done before the event. I'm meeting Claudia at the venue at 3 to get everything set up and ready and probably run through our presentation one more time. I heard it's over 50 women that signed up, which is fun, but also nerve-wracking. Like I've never done anything like this before, so I don't really know what it's going to be like. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna vlog the whole day, so I'll take you with me and show you what it's like. From a quick run, I've just done a couple of hours of work here with Theo. I am going to get ready to go and get my hair cut. I wanted to show the gorgeous view from where we're staying. So as you can see the ocean over here, you got the pool down here. So we used to stay here quite often. Last year, I think we were here all in all a few months back in October. The apartment actually is out for sale. It belongs to one of Theo's clients. We're actually going to shoot content for one of my clients here in a couple of weeks, which I'm super excited about. It is so gorgeous here and I can't believe what a nice day it's turned into. That's that done. Such a rush now to go to the event. All of it is so late. To run back to the car and get something to eat. Wow! We got 2 hours to go, more or less. I am so excited now. Theo's here and he brought my last little bits that I forgot. Right, we're ready to go. I feel excited. I was nervous this morning, but now I'm feeling really ready to go. We've run through it quickly and I think now we're just waiting for the guests to arrive. It is in a beautiful location. It's called Fat Mama in Marbella, a Swedish-owned restaurant who's been kind enough to host us. And yeah, wish us luck.
Smashed it. Got a few laughs.
Yeah, well, obviously you didn't understand what we said.
Yeah, I laughed at the wrong parts.
You laughed at me, not with me. But yeah, I think it went well. I was so nervous. I was thinking to myself even before I went out, I was like, I'm gonna run away. Like I was looking at the door, I'm like, I'm just gonna run away. I feel good now, like I think it went well. Yeah.
Oh, good job.
Thanks for coming.